Okay, chords for only the young. We've got 5 chords: D, A, E minor, G, and then in the bridge we have B minor. So for our D, the notes are D, F sharp, and A. But we're going to bring the A down below, so it'll actually be A, D, F sharp. Still the same chord, different order. That's your D chord. And we move this finger and this finger, second and fourth finger, down to the C sharp. So just move it down a half step. And the E. So going from there down to our A chord, which makes it A, C sharp, E. Then we're going to E minor. So we've already got the E. Pop your pinky on the E. And we'll put our thumb down a step to G, one tone. And we'll put our second finger down a step, a tone to B. So we've got G, B, E. That's your E minor chord. And then to get to the G, you're just going to change your pinky for your fourth to the D, G, B, D. So it goes like this. D chord, A chord, E minor, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, try again. D, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, 4, E, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4. One more. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, E minor, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4. And then in the bridge, you will get B minor. So going from the G, which is where you're going to end on the second verse, you're just going to move your thumb down a semitone. So down from the G to the F sharp, because the notes that make up a B minor chord are B, D, F sharp. We're going to have the F sharp on the bottom. F sharp, B, D, 2, 3. They are gonna help us to the G, back to B minor. They are gonna back to G, then back to B minor, then back to G. Then this time we go to E minor, which you're just gonna lift your pinky. 2, 3, 4, G, 2, A, 2. That's the only part of the song at the end of the bridge where the chords go for less than 4 beats. You're going G, A, just for 2 each. If you want, once you've got the chords down, you can add your bass notes. So just have your left hand playing just the root of each chord. So for D, D. For A,